Guys, our interface starts looking real. We've added some objects and now we're going to add depth to them by applying shadows. Go to the About Me section. There we're going to work with the social networks objects to make them look like buttons. Select the three circles with Command and click. Then go to the Shadows tab in the Inspector panel, and after activating it, you'll see that the shadows are automatically applied. Let's zoom in to edit the shadow and make it subtler, okay? Reduce the blur to 1. Okay? What else? Here we have 2 axes, 2 positions, x-axis, which is the horizontal, and z-axis, which is the vertical. The x-axis casts the shadow to the right or left by default, while the y-axis casts it upwards or downwards. In this case, set the y-axis to 1 and the x to 0. Regarding the shadow color, instead of this dark gray, we're going to use a tone a little bit darker than the fill color of the shape. Use the eyedropper to select the color and the picker to choose a darker tone. We can also reduce the opacity. Great! So the shadows for the social networks are ready. Let's keep working with the buttons. Select the one at the top, to which we'll add a blurred shadow. So instead of 4, use 18. Set x-axis at 0 and y at 2. This time we are going to use the same fill color of the shape to create the shadow, although we are going to change the opacity to 80. Amazing! This is the result. The next step will be copy the same effect for the other buttons, for the interface. Let me show you a tip to do this. By pressing Command Option C, we'll be copying the layer style, not the layer itself. With style, I mean the fill color, border, shadow, etc. Then go to the other button, select each item and press Command Option B to paste the style. Great! Guys, you already know how to apply shadows and copy shape styles to ease and speed up the process. See you in the next video!